मैं तूफान कुमार मलिक, मेरा वाइफ प्रियंका प्रियदर्शी, मैं उड़ीसा से कटक से आया। मेरा 16 दिन के बच्चे का क्रिटिकल हार्ट प्रॉब्लम डिजीज था। वो पहले बर्न के बाद 6 दिन में थोड़ा बुखार आया। वो मैं उड़ीसा के जो शिशु भवन है वो तो आया। दूसरे मैं एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से एडमिट करना। 10 डेज के बाद उस डॉक्टर मानस सर ने बोला उसका हार्ट डिजीज क्रिटिकल हार्ट डिजीज से हुआ। वो मानस सर ने भेजा आप केआर हॉस्पिटल से नया। वो उस दिन तपन सर का नंबर मैं पाया और सर के साथ बात करने के लिए दूसरे दिन हम और मेरे मिसेस ने एक एम्बुलेंस में केआर हॉस्पिटल ने आया। उस तरीके से 7 जून था। वो 8 जून के में ऑपरेशन हुआ। उस केआर हॉस्पिटल से जो तपन सर उसको स्टाफ वो सारे डॉक्टर है बहुत अच्छे हैं। वो लोगों ने मेरे बच्चे को नया जीवन दान करता है। उसके सारे स्टाफ में अच्छे है, उसके हॉस्पिटल अच्छे है। और थैंक यू केआर हॉस्पिटल। और मेरा बच्चे के जीवन रखने था वो उसके हॉस्पिटल में बहुत थैंक्स।
I am Dr. Tapan Kumar Das, Head of the Department of Pediatrics Cardiac Surgery from KR Hospital, Hyderabad. Last week, I operated one child from Odisha. This child was suffering from a very complex heart problem known as transposition of the great arteries. There was absolutely no facility available in the Odisha to treat this kind of patients. This patient was having oxygen saturation which was very low and required emergency surgery to save the life. Because of the COVID lockdown in Odisha as well as in Hyderabad, there was lot of difficulties in bringing this child from Odisha to Hyderabad. So we negotiated with the pediatrician there, and the child's father finally agreed to come and get operated here. They hired an ambulance, traveled nearly 30 hours from Odisha to reach Hyderabad. They reached Hyderabad. Next day, we did the surgery, and this was the surgery which we have to switch from one side to the other, and surgery was done successfully. It took nearly 4-5 hours to finish the surgery. After that surgery, patient was there in the ICU for 3-4 days, and after that child recovered completely from that disease. Now child is going home with a normal heart, and he will grow normally and will have a normal lifespan. So it's important to treat this kind of children at the right time. Surgery was the only treatment for this disease, and even if the child was from long distance, they reached at the right time. Right timely surgery was done and life was saved. So that's what I wanted to convey, that any child suffering from a complex heart problem, irrespective of the distance, if they will reach us at the right time, we can give them the right treatment and life can be saved. Thank you.